Hello children, now I am going to teach you how to write Z. Letter Z. We'll trace this letter Z. Okay? Z. Z. Once again writing here on top of this Z. Now I am going to write alone the letter Z. Here tracing again Z. Z. Another one here, tracing it. Here Z. Going to write alone the letter Z. Z. Another one. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now I think you can write Z alone. Thank you for listening.